This is the first iPhone made by Apple company in 2007, and that's the first smartphone on the market, sold in 6.1 million units. All the specs for the phone are: but did you know that the price for the unopened, factory-sealed, original iPhone in the collector's world can go up to amazing $63,000. Then another was sold for $55,000. And the third highest price was $40,000, paid by Marcus Brownlee, creator of famous tech YouTube channel MKBHD. And if you have that amount of money and win on auction, you will receive first original iPhone in this kind of package. And this is a serious job, because before buying you can see content of package X-rayed and verified. In 2007, Steve Jobs introduced 3 revolutionary products in one: widescreen iPod with touch controls, revolutionary mobile phone, and breakthrough internet communicator. And all that sounded like this.
These are not 3 separate devices. This is one device. And we are calling it iPhone. Today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone.
Why is the first original iPhone so expensive? Revolutionary inventions that Apple had made were: for the first time, Apple eliminated the keyboard and made big mobile display with new technology called multi-touch. And from then, we started to use the best pointing device, our fingers.
So,
easily sync with iTunes.
and iTunes is going to sync all your media onto your iPhone, your music, your audiobooks, podcasts, movies, TV shows, music videos, but it also syncs a ton of data.
Design was stunning for that time. The first original iPhone had 3.5-inch display, the biggest display for that time, with the highest resolution and well-known home button. And the first original iPhone was thinner than any other smartphone on the market for that time. For the first time, you have the function of scrolling on the smartphone, and this was the reaction audience when they saw it.
Isn't that cool?
Beautiful design of cover flow for music player. The phone call app. Simple to use, and for the first time you have all informations for the contacts on one place, with possibility of conference call and voicemail list.
Alrighty. So,
Photos app. With coolest looking photo gallery ever, And for the first time, with the pinch technology, you can zoom in and out pictures. That was the coolest thing for that time.
And stretch the image. That's cool. And move it around. That's cool.
New way using emails. The first original Apple iPhone started to use rich text emails for the first time on a smartphone using the Yahoo Cloud. Desktop class web browsing called Safari. Google Maps on iPhone. Until that time, you didn't have mobile phone which can use maps and satellite images. With this device, you started to have the internet in your pocket. Multitasking in a real time. With the first original smartphone, you can play music, take a phone call, send a picture by email, and web browsing. With this device, Steve Jobs and the Apple company registered 200 and plus patents.
We've been innovating like crazy for the last few years on this, and we filed for over 200 patents for all the inventions in iPhone, and we intend to protect them. The Mac in 1984 is an experience that those of us that were there will never forget. And I don't think the world will forget it either. The iPod in 2001 changed everything about music. And we're going to do it again with the iPhone in 2007. And we're very excited about this. And you know, there's an old Wayne Gretzky quote that I love. I skate to where the puck is going to be, not where it has been. And we've always tried to do that at Apple, since the very, very beginning. And we always will. So thank you very, very much for being a part of this.